All right, guys, so I just wanted to make this video quickly just to go through one more example of working out the pH of a weak acid, just so that you're doubly sure of what you're doing, and then from there you can do your own examples. Okay, so I'm just going to share my screen and go straight into the question. Yeah, just so that you can see exactly how to do it, be 100% sure, and then we go from there. Okay, so the question would read something like this: the Ka for a weak monobasic acid. So monobasic is if it has one hydrogen, so like HCl or HNO3. If it has two hydrogens, like H2SO4, then it's not monobasic. So when they say monobasic, that's what they mean. You're just getting one H plus from your acid. Okay, so they tell you that the Ka is 1 times 10 to the minus 5, and they tell you that the concentration is 0.1. Okay, and now they want you to calculate the pH for this weak acid. Okay, so what you will have to do, you're going to have to excuse my writing. What you would have to do is write out your equation. We don't know what the acid is, so we just call it HA. Okay, we have an equilibrium, and it's splitting up into H plus and A minus. Okay, so that's your first thing. Make sure you get the equation down. If it's monobasic, you're just getting the H plus. If it was H2A, for example, then it's not monobasic anymore. Okay. Once you've done that, you're going to do not quite your ice table, just initial and equilibrium. They told you the concentration of the acid was 0.1. We assume that this is 0 and 0. Okay. So now at equilibrium, we're going to have 0.1 minus the concentration of the H plus, because that's what it's splitting into. This is going to be H plus concentration, and we can call the A minus, we can also call that H plus, because again, the ratio is 1:1. So H plus is all throughout to make it easy for your calculation. Okay. So now we're going to say, okay, cool. So the Ka equals the products, which is H plus, divided by the reactants, which is 0.1 minus the H plus. Okay. What do we do with the H plus at the bottom? We can cancel that out. Such a small number that it doesn't matter. Okay, so now we're going to start filling in our equation. So the Ka is 1 times 10 to the minus 5. So 1 times 10 to the minus 5 is equal to the H plus, you can square it, divided by 0.1. Okay, rearrange that. You get a very small number. 0.1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 equals H plus squared. Okay. So therefore the hydrogen ion concentration is equal to the square root of 0.12345 So my pH minus log the square root of 0.000001. If you work all that out, you get a pH of 3. Okay, so we're heading to much weaker acids. Our pHs are increasing, our acids are becoming a lot weaker. Okay, so I just wanted to show you again how you work this out. Okay, monobasic, you've got HA just giving you 1 H plus, just giving you the A minus. Okay, figure out your equilibrium concentrations, plug those into your expression, and then maths. Okay, you're going to use all of that to work out the maths. Okay, so hopefully that is going to help you a little bit, and then you can crack on with the other questions that I'm going to set for you.